Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you the best way to turn Wi-Fi on or off on your TCL Smart TV. Whether you want to connect to a new network or troubleshoot your internet, this quick guide will help you to get it done easily. Start by pressing the home button on your remote to open the main menu. Then go to settings and select network or internet. Here, you will see the Wi-Fi option. Simply toggle it on to connect or toggle it off to disconnect from your wireless network. If turning it on, pick your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. If you want to switch to a wired connection later, just plug in an internet cable and your TV should be automatically prioritized. And thanks for watching. If this helped you to turn Wi-Fi on or off on your TCL Smart TV, please like this video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Smart TV tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.